I still remember the family Thanksgiving where I pulled a gorgeous turkey out of the oven, completely confident it was cooked. But when we carved into it, the center was completely raw, ruining dinner and leaving everyone starving. Choosing a meat thermometer is a nightmare with all the cheap, inaccurate options out there that break after just 2 washes. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 meat thermometers on the market after rigorous hands-on testing to ensure you never ruin an expensive roast again. But wait until you see our number 1 pick, which completely flips the script on kitchen tech. 5. InkGrill Rechargeable Instant Read Meat Thermometer. When I first started testing the InkGrill Rechargeable Instant Read Meat Thermometer, I was immediately intrigued by its budget-friendly price point and bright aesthetic. It features a vivid backlit LCD screen that makes reading internal temperatures incredibly easy in low light, along with a built-in magnetic back so you can stick it straight onto your steel refrigerator door or grill table. In terms of everyday household use, this tool works reasonably well for basic backyard grilling tasks like checking simple chicken breasts or burger patties. The folding stainless steel probe turns on automatically when flipped open, and it claims a reading speed of 2 to 3 seconds, which successfully helps keep your hands safely away from the roaring open flames. However, during my extensive hands-on testing with thicker, tougher cuts of meat like a heavy pork shoulder, I noticed some frustrating performance limitations. The temperature readings tend to fluctuate significantly before finally settling down, taking closer to 6 full seconds. The overall build quality also feels distinctly plastic heavy and lightweight, which raises serious durability concerns if dropped onto a concrete patio. The internal battery performance also left a bit to be desired during extended weekend cooking sessions around the smoker. While the rechargeable internal battery is highly convenient, the physical power indicator proved highly inconsistent, dropping from full to low without warning. It's a decent entry-level option, but serious pitmasters will likely find it a bit too slow and fragile. 4. MEATERPro Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer. Moving into the realm of completely wireless technology, testing the MEATERPro was an interesting exercise in modern convenience and smartphone automation. This sleek device features a wire-free probe that remains inside your meat throughout the entire cooking process, sending data to an app. The included wooden charging block looks beautiful on the counter and functions as a signal repeater. The primary feature of the MEATERPro is its advanced multi-sensor system, which measures both the internal meat temperature and ambient cooker temperature simultaneously. The accompanying smartphone app guides you through the process, providing estimated timelines for when your meat will be finished. This automated tracking makes managing complex oven roasts feel incredibly simple for amateur home cooks. Nevertheless, my extended testing revealed several notable structural drawbacks that keep this smart device from ranking any higher on our list. The wireless Bluetooth connection can be remarkably finicky, frequently dropping out the moment I step inside a brick wall or closed a heavy smoker lid. Additionally, the probe is quite thick, leaving a visible puncture wound in delicate fish. Maintaining the probe also requires meticulous cleaning after every session, as baked-on grease on the ambient end can easily cause serious sensor errors. While the smart features are highly innovative, the frequent connection stumbles make it a bit tedious for quick weekday cooking. It is a fascinating piece of tech if you are patient enough to babysit the signal. 3. ThermoPro TempSpike Plus. Stepping into our top 3, the ThermoPro TempSpike Plus directly resolves many of the wireless connectivity headaches found in competing brands. Testing this unit gave me a true sense of long-range freedom while cooking outdoors in the yard. A standout feature is the standalone booster base equipped with an integrated LCD screen for quick, phone-free temperature checks. The probe is engineered to be remarkably slim and sleek, sliding effortlessly into thick briskets without disrupting the juices or tearing the meat. It utilizes an advanced internal sensor array designed to withstand ambient cooking temperatures up to an impressive 572 degrees Fahrenheit. Throughout a 12-hour smoking session, the tracking remained perfectly stable, providing reliable data without a single stutter. What truly sets the TempSpike Plus apart is its rock-solid 600-foot range, powered by an optimized Bluetooth 5.2 transmission chip. I was able to walk completely across my house, through multiple thick walls and down into the basement without losing connection to my outdoor setup. The booster base also includes loud audio alerts to notify you of dangerous temperature swings. Cleanup is incredibly straightforward because the probe is completely waterproof with a certified IP67 rating, allowing you to wash it under running water safely. The battery longevity is equally impressive, offering over 30 hours of continuous tracking on a single charge. It strikes an exceptional balance between smart automation and rugged, everyday reliability for serious backyard barbecue enthusiasts. 2. Typhur Sync Wireless Meat Thermometer. The Typhur Sync Wireless Meat Thermometer easily earns second place because it feels like a premium piece of medical-grade hardware designed for culinary perfection. Unboxing this device reveals a high-quality base station featuring a large, high-definition display. Unlike other options, this standalone hub lets you monitor multiple independent probes simultaneously with incredible visual clarity right from the counter. Testing this unit on a massive prime rib roast demonstrated its extreme precision, utilizing 6 individual microsensors packed into a single, ultra-thin probe. This advanced engineering eliminates guesswork by automatically identifying the coldest thermal center of your meat. The speed at which the numbers update on the screen is fluid and operates in perfectly real time. The base station connects directly to your home Wi-Fi network alongside its Bluetooth capabilities, creating a highly reliable dual connection bridge. This allowed me to leave the house entirely to run a quick errand while still monitoring my cooking progress via secure cloud tracking on my phone. The probes are constructed from durable zirconia ceramic to withstand intense open flame searing temperatures. Charging the device is entirely seamless as the magnetic dock snaps the probes perfectly into place, keeping them topped off for your next project. The mobile app is beautifully polished, offering detailed temperature charts, historical graphs, and accurate resting time predictions. It is a phenomenal choice for tech-minded chefs who demand absolute precision and zero connectivity compromises. 1. Thermapen ONE. Finally, reaching the absolute pinnacle of temperature precision, we have the legendary Thermapen ONE. While wireless smart probes are highly convenient for long cooks, nothing beats the lightning-fast reliability of a professional-grade instant read tool when standing over a scorching grill. Testing this device is a revelation because it delivers perfectly accurate readings in 1 second or less. The magic behind the Thermapen ONE lies in its custom, handcrafted thermocouple sensor located at the very tip of its incredibly thin probe. It boasts an unprecedented accuracy rating within half a degree Fahrenheit, which I verified multiple times across rigorous ice bath tests. The auto-rotating backlit display automatically flips to orient itself properly in either hand. This tool is built like a tank, featuring a completely waterproof housing with an IP67 rating that effortlessly withstands heavy kitchen abuse and deep cleans. It does away with confusing buttons or complicated app configurations entirely. You simply swing the probe open to turn it on. It even features a motion sensing sleep mode that automatically saves battery life. Every single Thermapen ONE unit is individually hand-calibrated in a laboratory and comes with a certified document proving its precision. Whether you are tempering delicate chocolate, frying chicken in boiling oil, or checking a sourdough loaf, its speed approaches the speed of thought. It remains the undisputed gold standard that professional chefs refuse to live without.